How you doing, folks? This is Trenton Edward. I'm a realtor with First Premier Real Estate Group. I'm also a MLO with the Arizona Department of Finance. I'm actually live here in the state of Arizona, and I've graduated from ASU. I also have my MBA, and I'm also licensed in the state of Arizona to do modifications, settlements, and most importantly, short sales. I'm here to give you the insight and the input that you need to make a well-informed decision. Now, typically when I visit clients are in denial, so to speak. They don't want to face financial reality. And a lot of people out there don't know what to do. They don't know if the information they're getting from the internet or from other people is correct. I'm here to give you that information. I'm here to provide you with the peace of mind that you need to face financial reality. Because what is worse than knowing is not knowing. And once you know what the process is, once you feel what best case scenario is and worst case scenario, that is when you can move forward with your short sale or anything in life. And people fear what they don't know. And most importantly, banks are not there to give you loan modification 101, short sale 101. 101. You have to understand that the bank's business model is to collect money. That's their business model. So customer service or collections has a fiduciary responsibility towards the bank, not towards you. They have to acquire their funds or their deposits the most cost-efficient, cost-effective way possible. And that's by getting it from you today, not tomorrow. You have to keep in mind that a modification is their last option. A short sale is their last option. Okay? You have to understand that once you're well informed, you're going to know how to approach each individual bank or each individual lender. No one likes collections. So the bottom line is that if you need to know what the policies, what the guidelines are, you need to talk to a professional, somebody who's an expert, somebody who's been there and done that, somebody who's actually experienced what you're experiencing. You have to learn how to shift and to adapt with the market. One thing that I do with most homeowners is that immediately when I go to your home or you come to the office, we call the bank right then and there. We put them on speakerphone, you get me verbal authorization, and I speak to the bank on your behalf. You give me the questions that you need answered, I provide you with the information on speaker. So there's none of this he said, she said. So you walk away from that meeting hearing what I heard. And a lot of people feel comfortable in that because we handle the entire process from start to finish, from birth to maturity. In other words, we list the house, we negotiate for you, we submit all the paperwork, and on top of that, which is the most important thing, we have our own investors. So your house begins the negotiation process the day you sign the listing. We upload that information into the bank and they immediately start negotiations and start mediating the file. I handle all the obstacles, the hurdles that you normally would incur. Believe me, if you can't hurdle and are unable to hurdle that front line of communications, which is collections, you're not going to get the information you need. You have to get past that front line. Collections is only there to collect from you. So keep in mind, folks, that if you don't know how to navigate through the banking channels, you're gonna get lost. The information that I have up here is not on the internet. It's not on any CD. I've learned this through trial and error, through hit and miss. There's no price and no dollar amount that you can put on the knowledge that I know. So keep in mind the mortgage industry has completely evolved since 2007. The policies, the directives, the guidelines, all the new short sale programs that are out there, no one's there to educate you. I am here to do so. Now keep in mind as well, the Mortgage Debt Relief Act has been extended, which is definitely a positive for you. We're here to provide you with the information and the insight that you need. So if you do need a free consultation, please give me a call at 602-694-5649. I'm available 7 days a week, 24 hours a day to answer any of your questions. Thank you so much.